Hello my lovely foodies, it's CiCi here. The weather is getting warmer and warmer, and if you lost your appetite, be sure to check out today's sesame noodles recipe. It will be sure to bring back all your appetite. To cook the chicken breast in a pot of water over high heat, add in the salt and whisk. Transfer in the chicken breast, onion, scallion, ginger, and star anise. Bring it to a boil. Turn to low heat and cook for 25 minutes. Remove the chicken. And let it cool for about 10 minutes. Shred the chicken with your hands into small pieces. This is gonna take another 10 minutes. To make the sauce, add in the sesame sauce, creamy peanut butter, sugar, soy sauce, Chinkiang vinegar, sesame oil, and Sichuan peppercorn oil. Whisk. Now we're gonna pour in the chicken stock a little at a time until the sauce is at the right consistency. Whisk. Also transfer in the garlic and toasted sesame seeds. Mix well. And to prepare the toppings, julienne the cucumber, and julienne the carrot. Here I have 1 pound of fresh wheat noodles. If you're interested in how to make this one at home, you can also click on the link right here. To cook the noodles, in a large pot of water, over high heat, bring it to a boil. Cook the noodles until al dente for about 3 minutes. I made this chili oil myself. If you're interested in the recipe, you can also click on the link right here. When you eat this noodle dish, you just mix everything all together. You get a little bit of the noodles, a little bit of the chicken, some cucumber, some carrot, and the sauce. Talking about the sauce, it's really amazing. It's really nutty, very aromatic, and the noodles cook until al dente, and the chicken, so good. It's kind of like a salad, but so much better. I hope that you also enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, remember to subscribe, thumbs up. Also share this really awesome video with your friends and your family. And I'd like to stay in touch with you on Facebook, Instagram, and also YouTube. I will see you again next Friday. Bye!